Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This mutton stew cooked in coconut milk is a traditional breakfast delicacy from Kerala cuisine. Paired with appam or even with bread, this Kerala mutton stew make a fantastic combination. If you like the recipes I have shared, please consider to like, share and subscribe. Let's start. Here I have taken 900 gram of with bone mutton. And I have taken 2 medium-sized potato chopped and 1 big-sized carrot chopped. For the stew, you need 2½ inch of ginger and 7 big garlic cloves. Crush it, or you can use a small mixer grinder to crush. To get a right amount of thickness to a stew, here I have taken 1½ tablespoon of cornflour and add little water and mix, or instead you can use maida. For the chicken stew, I have added maida for the thickness. The link will be in the description box below. And you need 1 teaspoon of peppercorns and crush it. In a cooker, add coconut oil, then add 2 inch of cinnamon stick, 8 cloves, 4 cardamom pods and 1 star anise. Saute till you get that pleasant aroma. Then add crushed ginger garlic and add 8 green chilli and 2 curry leaves. Saute till the raw smell leaves. Then add 3 big onion chopped long and thin. Then add salt and saute till the onion becomes soft. When onion becomes soft, add the mutton. Here I am adding 900 gram of mutton and 2 cup of second milk of coconut, that is thin milk of coconut, and mix it. Cook mutton according to your meat timing. For me it took 8 whistles. After 8 whistles, switch off the flame, and when pressure release, open the lid. Then add potato and carrot and close the lid and cook it till 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, switch off the flame, and after pressure release, open the lid. Potato and carrot has been cooked and mutton also cooked perfectly. Add the 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper and add cornflour slurry. Instead of cornflour, like I said, you can use maida. And now reduce the flame, then add 1 + 1/4 cup of first milk of coconut, that is a thick milk of coconut. And when it starts to simmer, then switch off the flame and keep it aside. And for the seasoning, here I have taken coconut oil. In that I have added 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. When it splutters, add handful of shallots or add onion chop and 2 strands of curry leaves. When shallot turns to a golden color, then add this into a stew. Close the lid and keep it for 30 minutes. This will enhance the flavor as well as aroma, and the stew will come to its right consistency. We are having a mutton stew with bread. I am steaming a bread to get that soft texture while having. Even you can steam leftover appam. Steaming makes everything very soft and yum. The mutton is cooked very well. Check out, it looks so soft and delicious. Hope you like the recipes I'm sharing. If you like the recipes, please like, share and support my channel. And thanks for watching.